Hi, everybody. My name is Levanon. I'm the CEO of Dragontail System, a young high-tech company started as an Israeli startup, but now, as mentioned, traded on the ASX, and it is a lot of fun, and we love that beach, by the way. We were established with a very ambitious goal in mind, namely to bring science and technology into the restaurants around the world and optimize the food delivery business. We focus on food delivery because this is one of the fastest growing business segments in the world, as you all know. But as much as it goes, it's still very ineffective. It really doesn't get help or true help from the latest technology and artificial intelligence. So that's why we created two major flagship products. I'll start with the first one. It's called the Algo Dispatching System, which basically optimizes the entire operation of the restaurant. So if you look at the screen, imagine a neighborhood, maybe a neighborhood down the street from you. On the top right side, you will see the restaurant. On the bottom left is one of the suburbs, two neighbors that don't know each other placing an order. Jimmy on the left side placed the first order, and until Mary and their kids place orders, other customers doing the same. Jimmy's order came out of the oven first, and the only driver right now in the store delivering 20 minutes back and forth Jimmy's order. While he does that, the other orders come out of the oven, and the poor manager realized that the driver will have to go again and deliver the pizza to Mary, and she definitely gonna get a cold pizza. However, if they used our Algo Dispatching System, it would have been a completely different story. We start optimization before the order shows up in the kitchen. So Mary's order would have jumped the line together with Jimmy, go into the oven, and the driver will only drive once to that neighborhood, saving gas, mileage, and also less pollution. This was a simple example with one driver. Imagine a real shift with 8 or 10 drivers and 50 concurrent orders. This is something that we optimize and do the most effective way. The way we do it, we actually sit in every important section in the restaurant, starting with the kitchen. We have a KDS, or Kitchen Display System, that tells the cook when to prepare an order, what to prepare, when to put it on the oven, and so on and so forth. We have a separate system, which I'll address later, that makes sure the food is prepared correctly. We have a pack station that optimizes the packing process, making sure orders are packed only when there is a driver there to pick it up. We have the dispatch system, which is the heart of the system, electronic map that shows driver location, customer location, and on the left side, you see it also does the actual decision which driver takes which order. The drivers themselves have a mobile app that shows them how to deliver, what kind of orders they need to take, making sure they don't miss anything. The customer is engaged, knowing what's happening in the restaurant and outside the restaurant, and the manager is getting true BI reports that help finding out bottlenecks and way to improve the operation. It's like having a super manager, actually, in the store. No human being, even a math genius, cannot comprehend all those variables and make the optimized decisions. That's why computers were invented. We work in actually 4 dimensions. You'll find out actually that there is a surprise dimension as well. The first 2 dimensions, the X and Y, is a standard optimization like FedEx and UPS or any last mile solution. You know where the customer, where the driver, and you try to optimize it. But we have to deal with the 3rd dimension, the kitchen. Remember, we do not deliver documents or packages. We deliver food. You have to treat food differently and treat it with respect. It's a perishable product. And so we have to connect the kitchen and tie to it as well. Up to here, we manage with math and algorithm, but when we went to the 4th dimension, which also takes into account staff scheduling, event, even weather, customer priorities, we had to resort to AI. And like we didn't have enough on our head, when we had to develop something that also makes sure the restaurant don't make mistake in preparation and the quality of the food is good, That's where we introduced what we call the X Factor, and that's our second flagship product, an AI camera. And instead of me presenting it to you, I will let one of our customers, Domino's Pizza, share with you via a TV campaign that's going to go out in Australia and New Zealand next month.
At Domino's, we're always trying to be better. We aim to deliver great quality pizzas, but we know that sometimes we don't get it right. And even one bad experience is one too many. So we've set our sights on a solution with our biggest product quality innovation ever. Introducing Domino's Pizza Checker, the next leap forward in our Drew Artificial Intelligence program. Pizza Checker is an electronic eye that will soon be above every Domino's cutting bench in the country. It instantly checks the quality of every pizza we make, then displays it online for every customer to see. Pizza Checker verifies pizza type, correct toppings, topping distribution, crust type, and temperature.
This AI camera is a technology solution for all type of food. Here you can see KFC headquarters in Dallas already working with that. It works with hotel and grocery environment, buffet, room service, making sure nothing is missed before it's delivered to the room. Look, this is almost science fiction technology that started as a wishful project. And last week, actually, we received the US patent, just actually a few days ago. And it's making big headlines. No wonder morning talk show hosts dropped their jaws when Domino's in Australia CEO is explaining our system on live TV. Our two systems are live and working. It's not a dream anymore. They're actually showing some amazing results in the field. So sharing with you some customer slides, you can see increase in OSAT, stands for overall satisfaction. TOF stands for taste of food. The food tastes better. How many technologies you know make the food even taste better? Less mistake in preparation, which means saving money. Customer complaint, this is KFC experiencing 60% reduction in customer complaint. But the ultimate result, to my opinion, at the stamp of approval is that you have an increase in repeat customer. Because if you use technology and AI technology the right way and customers are happier, they'll come and buy again. Also, there is a win for the team, and that's one of the things customers have been reported. The staff is more relaxed, less turnover, just because technology makes things easier. We couldn't accomplish all of it without having a sharp, dedicated, young and not so young engineers that work together. We call them the Dragontail family, and together with using AI technology, we are changing restaurants around the world, restaurant by restaurant, and the ultimate beneficiary is the end customer, who's now receiving their order fast and always hot and fresh. So now you know the store of the future already arrived.
Great presentation.